Short announcement. This Sunday I'm launching a new show, Sunday Quickies. It's the same channel, same subject matter, just guaranteed to be short and to the point with details. I hope to see you then. Now on with the show. Hi, and welcome back to Cat and Dogs on Wheels. I'm Cat. We've got my crew here, RJ and Smokey, and we are ready to install some locks today. So let's just get right to it. Okay, here we go. Let's install some locks. We got the drill. I paid $8 for the pins and $3 for the bit. Now this should be very simple. The whole theory is I'm going to drill a hole into this hole that's already here and drill it through and then stick the pin in, and the pin will keep this locked in that position. So that's the plan. Okay, I was going to borrow my brother-in-law's driver one, but I couldn't figure out how to make the bit stick in there. So I went and got my trusty old-fashioned plug-in drill. I have two of them. So we're not plugged in. We're not plugged in. 1 minute. And this is why I don't usually like to film my actual work, because it is so haphazard, sort of. Okay, so let's go. My bit is too big. My bit is too big. I measured them. Everything was like 1/4 inch, but the hole inside the hole that I measured is not 1/4 inch. So I will have to now reorder new pins and new bit. Okay, so I haven't been to Home Depot yet, but I wanted to find a bit that fit that, so that I got the right size. And I actually found that I had a bit that fit it. I don't know for sure if it's a metal one, but I figured I'd give it a shot, and I figured out how this worked. It just needed this kind of an ending on the bit rather than the straight one that I had. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shot and see if it goes through. I'll still have to go to Home Depot to get new pins. Actually, then when I had the pin and I was putting it up here, it also needs to be like 1 inch shorter than it is. So I'll definitely need new pins. But before I buy a drill bit, I thought I'd see if this one will work. Let's check it out. It worked. So now all I need is new pins. I'll see you as soon as I get back from Home Depot. Whoa. Okay, so Home Depot didn't have the cotter pins that I needed. But as I was driving to Home Depot, I realized that I'd left this in the up position. Yeah, I drilled this in the wrong place. So let's drill it again. So added tip, when you're doing this process of locks, don't leave it unlocked when you drill. I mean, ding, ding. So now the hole is drilled. I'm going to go ahead and drill the second one and order my pins. And then in just 1 second, you'll see me install the pins. I had this brilliant idea before ordering pins. I thought, Why can't I just make this hole a 1/4 inch hole? I mean, the outside one is. So I'm going to try and drill and make the 1/4 inch pin fit. Wow, I think my drill just broke. This is why I don't take you guys on actual live things that I do. Oh yeah, it's smoking. Yeah, it's an ancient drill. Okay, I have another one of these. I'm gonna go get my other one and see if I can break it too. Whoa. Okay, that was almost an injury. Good grief. Okay, maybe if I stand back here. Yeah. Okay. Huh. Well, it works. And this really isn't sticking out any further than the door. Maybe I can clean that up a little bit. It's in there. My pin is just way too long. I'd say it's a win. So, should I have you watch me do the second expanding of the hole on the other door? Why not? Just for the heck of it. Maybe it'll go smoother and I'll feel more accomplished. Handle down. Woohoo! Alrighty. Woo! I think we installed a couple of locks. Yeah, on my own. Yeah. You can see why I didn't want to do the whole regular lock installation with drilling a bunch of holes and lining everything up right. That wasn't going to happen. But drilling a couple holes with a couple of pins, that happens. It just takes me a while to figure it out. Thanks for hanging with us this week and stumbling through the installing of the locks in these two back doors. Really, it was a great idea, don't you think? I actually came across this on Facebook. A gal who was building her bus, her dad came up with this idea. Way to go, Dad. So, I really appreciate my subscribers. Guess what, guys? We're up to 49. We've almost hit the 50 mark. I'm so excited. So anyway, I so appreciate my viewers and my subscribers, and I hope you join me next week, and we're going to talk curtains and magnets. So till next week, this is what the boys have to say. Woo!